What is it?
This is what?
That's the cup holder. Cup holders. Some type of little compartment. You can put that over here. Look how dusty and messy it is. It's been in the garage, but we finally got it running and finally got it on. So today, we're gonna go get it gassed up and a quick wash.
Why do that noise?
It's gonna start.
Why do that noise? Why do that noise?
It's gonna start.
Now, what type of seatbelt is?
Is seatbelt crazy?
Yeah. What the heck? Truck.
I was born, the nurses all gathered around. They gazed in wide wonder at the joy they had found. The head nurse spoke up, said, "Leave this one alone." She could tell right away that I was bad to the bone, bad to the bone, bad to the bone.